Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to fry our tofu. so if you watch my previous videos, you see the process of it. But for today's one, I'm just going to show you how to prepare, cut it in a fine shape and fry it with egg for your family to enjoy. So like this channel, it's give a thumbs up, share with friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, hit the notification button to know when I upload another video. See you. Continue watching my channel and see how I'm going to fry it. So guys, this is the the tofu here. So I'm going to cut it in. I've already washed my hand, it's clean, don't mind me. So I'm going to cut it in a way that I will like it. So if you watch my previous channel and videos, you will see how I process this. It's made from soya beans. So you learn from that. But today I'm going to show you all just how to cut it. See how it is when it is well done. This is how it is. It will not scatter when you are cutting it. See, very nice. So this is the egg that I'm going to use it with. I've already done my egg, sauce it. Then I will just dip it inside the egg. If you have egg scrum, bread scrum, you can use it. Then I'll put it there and cut another one. It's going to be very delicious. Very, very delicious. Then add oil in your frying pan to fry it. See it when it is well done, you cannot have it scattered when you are cutting it. It came out very smooth. So by next video, I'll show you how to cook it so that it will be well done and smooth like this. So after cutting it, I'm going to sprinkle salt on it. But sometimes you add the salt together before you tie it. But I think the salt was not enough. So that's why I'm sprinkling it on it. Then I'll sprinkle my grounded pepper. you want to add your spice or season, you can do that. But I'm not adding any other season apart from what I'm doing now. So it is ready for frying now. So let's go to the cooking pot. So I'm going to fry it now. Enjoy it. My pot is already on fire, so I'm going to add oil to it. Just like I'm going to add oil to my pot, my frying pot. I'm using power oil. I'm using power oil for it. So allow the oil to heat enough before frying it so that it will not soak oil. I want to test and see whether the oil is hot. It's not yet ready for frying. So it's not yet ready for frying. So I'm going to allow it to hot enough. So I'm going to fry the one from the egg.
This your pant is very fine.